subscribe to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. So in today's tutorial I will be doing my unboxing of my Lookfantastic beauty box subscription. So a couple of days ago I received my beauty box and it is in the colour pink as expected. The theme of the month is self-love. So on the Lookfantastic website it says you get 6 products that are worth over £60. Also on the website they have listed 11 products of which you'll get any random 6 ones. So let's unbox my box and see what we've received. As usual we have the Edit magazine. I'm just going to quickly read the editor's note for you guys. So it begins with, all you need is self-love. With the weather outside still a little cold and those January blues still lingering around, cuddle up to Beauty Box this February for some serious self-loving. This is our shrine to self-love and knowing your self-worth, a collection of beautiful products to inspiring and creative side and indulge and pamper your complexion with the ultimate date night. We've put our heads together here at Beauty Bay headquarters to ensure that you have the best February possible. Whatever your plans for this month, there's something completely inspiring and dripping with love to get your teeth into. From our fabulously pink monthly theme to a whole host of exciting limited editions we've got going. But I want to use this space for a small shout out this month. The shout out is for you. Whether the box is a gift for yourself, someone you love, for a subscriber, or it is a one-time thing, we're celebrating what it means to be authentically yourself. Self-love truly starts at home and a little bit of self-pampering goes a long way. If you're looking good, you feel gorgeous. From the outside in. I hope you love this month's box as much as we do. Tom. That's actually quite cute. So in the next page, we've got all the things that we will be receiving. And then there's a few more pages of things to read through, but yeah. And we have all these goodies. First up we have the Beauty Therapy Footworks mask. Now this is worth £4.95 and I have tried foot masks in the past but I haven't tried this particular one, so I do look forward to seeing what this turns out to be. Next we have the Glow Remover makeup pads. These are worth £6. Pretty cute hearts. We have the Pixie Glow Tonic which is worth £3. I've tried this before and I've really liked it. We also have the Lottie London blush which is worth £5.95 and this is the shade Haze. This is actually the perfect shade for spring because it's like a light pink. I also have the Balance Me Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum which is worth £14. Next we have the By the Cloud Cleanse which is worth £12. And finally we have the Dr. Botanicals Lemon Body Butter 50ml worth £19.99. Now I have just calculated the value of the products I received and it comes to just over £65. So from all the products that I've received in my box, I have only tried one of them, which is the Pixie Glow Tonic, and I am a big fan of that. I love the fact that this is a travel size. In terms of the rest of the products, I am looking forward to trying these out, and if you guys want a deep review of any of them, then please do let me know in the description box below. On a side note, today I'm wearing the new Huda Beauty Improved Formula lipstick and I will be having a review of this lipstick coming very soon. Stay tuned for that, guys. So guys, this brings us to the end of our unboxing. I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. Please do let me know what you have received in your beauty box. I would love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to give this tutorial a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Take care for now and I shall see you guys soon. Bye!